Good morning, mamas, and welcome to my channel. If you guys like mommy and lifestyle videos, please subscribe. I do all sorts of videos, and today I will be sharing you the July Amazon baby registry gift box that you get for free. So you need to have Amazon Prime. I did a Amazon Prime trial to see if I like it, and during that period you can make a baby registry, and that's what I did. And you have to buy something from your registry, at least $10, which I order prenatals from Amazon, so I just ordered prenatals and I got my free Amazon baby registry box, and it actually came really fast. It did not take long, and let's get started and I will show you what is everything in there. So this is how the box looks. I have not looked through it yet. I just opened it and it has a little piece of paper, pink and green, so boy or girl for either or. Alrighty. So as you open up the first thing is a Philips Event Natural 4-ounce bottle. And the directions are in there, and just some guides. Next is Honest diapers. And we have the giraffe print and the panda print. And then we got 10 wipes. And their expiration date is 2022, so about 3 years. Then we have AD Original Ointment, Diaper Rash Ointment, and Skin Protection. A pretty nice size, 1.5. Expires 2022. Also a pretty good lengthy time. And then we have Playtex Baby Vent Air Anti-Colic Anti-Reflux, 1 9-ounce bottle. I've never tried this bottle before, so we will see. It looks pretty good. Then there is Drift Newborn. I used this with our first baby and I really liked it. I bought a big one and it lasted for a long time. Then we got a Amazing Baby Muslim swaddle with the zebra print. It's so cute. Probably just gonna leave this in here. Then we got Philips Event nursing pads. think there's 2 in here. They have a little breastfeeding guide in here. Then they have the Aquaphor Therapy Diaper Rash Cream also. And they got a coupon on the back. Then they have Moon and Back Organic Cotton Short Sleeve Bodysuit, 100% organic cotton. That is so cute. And it is, let's see what size it is. It is super soft, 0 to 3. And then a Progressive little commercial. And a Amazon Baby Registry, their app for their baby registry. And that is it for the box. Pretty nice stuff. Cute little trials that you can try out. And thanks for watching, and I hope you guys liked the video. And if you guys like any of the stuff and would be interested in getting a free Amazon box, just go to Amazon, get the Prime, or if you have Prime already, or try the trial and make a baby registry. Buy something from the registry, which you'll probably anyways need, or do how I did. I ordered prenatals from there, and then you have to select that you want your box and they will send it out. See you guys, bye.